In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autofill Jotform using Excel for data collection, a practical technique that can save you time and streamline your workflow. Let's dive right in. To start, open your preferred web browser and search for Jotform. This step may seem basic, but it's crucial as it leads us to the right platform where we can begin creating and customizing our form. Once you're on the Jotform website, go ahead and sign in if you haven't already. Now, once you're in the form builder, the first thing you want to do is click on the Add Form Element menu. This menu is your gateway to a range of powerful tools that Jotform offers for customizing your form to suit your needs. Navigate your way to the Widgets tab, which is where we'll find the key feature for today's task. In the search bar of the Widgets tab, type Spreadsheet to Form. This widget is essential for linking your Excel data to the form. Once you've located it, add it to your form. This widget acts as a bridge, allowing data from your spreadsheet to integrate seamlessly with your form. Next, click on the Spreadsheet to Form widget that you've just added to your form. This action will open the widget settings, where you can customize and configure how the data from your spreadsheet will fill into the form. Now, it's time to upload your data file. Here, you will upload the Excel spreadsheet you've prepared beforehand. Ensure that your spreadsheet is organized with all the data you need to fill into the form. This file should be neatly prepared as it will directly influence how efficiently data transfers to your form. You'll then proceed to configure additional settings. For instance, you'll set the access code column, which is crucial for identifying and accessing the right data for each form submission. Think of this as setting a key to unlock the data properly. You'll also want to fill in the Fill button text, which is the label appearing on your button. Feel free to make this user-friendly. Then, customize the loading message, as well as the messages for valid and invalid codes. You can also decide whether fields should reset when an invalid code is entered. Consider this for ensuring data accuracy. After you're satisfied with all the settings and configurations, click the Update Widget button. This final step saves your changes, ensuring all adjustments are in place and the widget is functioning as intended. And there you have it. You've efficiently set up your Jotform to be auto-filled using Excel data. This powerful integration can greatly enhance your productivity by minimizing manual data input and maximizing accuracy. Thanks for watching and happy form building.